Hi everyone, hope you are doing good and safe at home. Today we are going to practice a specific skill in football, which is heading. I'll explain the technical sides of heading. First and foremost thing, when you are heading, you are supposed to use the forehead, not to use the sides of the head or the top of the head. So this should be your ball contact position, exactly here. Neither here nor here or any other part of the body, exactly your forehead should be hitting the ball. Second thing, while you are heading, you need to stiff your neck muscles. When you are contacting the ball, the neck muscles should not be loose. So it should not be loose in this way or this way. While you are heading, your neck muscles should be stiff. Third thing, while you are heading, you should not close your eyes. The reason is that while you are heading, an opponent may distract you, an opponent may push you, you may miss the ball and it may cause injuries. So whenever you are heading the ball, try to keep your eyes open. The last thing, whenever you are heading, make sure that your hands are open. This is a protection for you. When your opponent is coming, these elbows will keep the opponent away from your body so that you will be free to head the ball. So these are the things you are supposed to take care of. Let us go for the practical side of it. So the first step of heading, make sure that your feet are fixed to the ground. These are the basics. It will be improvised during the game time. Now just toss the ball. This is heading. Now we'll go for the shoulder is broad. It will be facing your target. Now toss the ball, stiff your head and hit. Stiff your neck and hit it. Toss the ball, stiff your head and hit it. Now we will, the next thing what we are supposed to take here. Now the ball is coming this way. I should not go and hit like this. Make sure that your body is moving towards the ball. You should not just go and hit in this way or this way. Your body should be completely under the ball. This way you have to move. You will have to hit. Exactly, you should be under the ball. Toss the ball. Exactly, you should be under the ball. There are many variations in hitting. First of all, we will go for the attacking hitting. For the attacking hitting, suppose for scoring the goals or clearing the ball to giving a pass to your teammate, this type of hits are used. Now for attacking heading, ball will travel, after heading ball will travel almost parallel. It won't go in a arch way. This is the attacking heading. So approaching the ball, approach the ball, approach the ball. This is attacking heading. Moving to the defensive heading. Suppose I'm a defense player, I need to save the ball from my opponent. So I need to put the pressure under the ball so that it goes a long distance. Now I'm tossing the ball. So this is an example of defensive heading. You'll see once again, defensive heading. Toss the ball. This is the way you're supposed to do defensive heading. Getting more accuracy, you can use this more and stand closer, go for small headings. Please reduce the distance between you and the ball and go for small headings. Toss the ball, hit the ball, toss the ball, hit the ball, toss it, hit it, toss it, hit it, toss it, hit it. So this is one of the important skill in football. Take care about the technical tips what I have told you in the beginning of this. Practice at home. Thank you. Take care. See you next time.